Just a nice place. Nice peaceful place. There's no dope show here. It's a twirl, look. Weekend of racing. Oh, beautiful.
If Joel was in there, I will drive to Wales myself and sell the fella out.
Welcome back, guys. So yeah, you've just the last vlog was the one that covered a bit of MXGP rounds in Spain, and then we went on to Preston docks. This is now the Wednesday after Preston, and I am in the workshop on my own. Jorin and Logan both left last night for the trip to Sardinia.
Right, Logan, here we are, Riola Sada. What's going on here, boys?
Whoa.
Do that again. I was vaping. I do not want to know vaping. If Joel was in there, I will drive to Wales myself and sell the fella out.
Don't worry, John. We're all hands on deck today to make sure the team vlog comes.
Am I making the team vlog? Is this my debut?
I think so. Joran let me have the camera.
Yeah.
He promised me a Triumph 250 in return to do the vlog, so.
I said maybe an airfoot if you like.
I said two actually, boy.
I still said maybe.
And I've just been left in the workshop to catch up, really. I'm going to use this time whilst I'm here on my own, trying to get back ahead with servicing some parts and some engines. So we're ready for our next service break when they come back from Trentino. We've got a good little period coming up where we can really get ahead and be prepared for our next big 7 on the bounce after Ling. So yeah, hope you like it, guys. So yeah, just a couple of bits I'm getting on with at the moment. So we carry a couple of 3 250 crankshafts in stock all the time, just for rotation, for servicing and stuff. So I'm just getting them refreshed with some new Conrod kits on genuine Triumph stuff. So this one's ready to go back together. This one I've already done, just getting through, and I've got a couple of 450 ones still to do. So that's the crankshaft pressed back together, and now it's just a case of truing the webs so everything is nice and true. And there we have it, 2 250 crankshafts and then 2 450 ones. Oh, beautiful. Liquid gold. Good morning, guys. We're arrived. We're at Lake Garda. Literally got here late last night. We stayed just by the lake, and we're off to the track now this morning. Let's get ready for Saturday, MXGP of Trentino. Boys have had a good week. Jorin and Logan, they've travelled from Sardinia. I'm talking quite quietly because it is really early. I don't want to wake anyone up, but just check this view. Waiting for the others to come down from their rooms, and we've actually hired a minibus this weekend, so we've got a bit of a whip to get to and from the tracking. So we've had to nestle that into a tight car park last night. So we've got to try and go and get that out, and yeah, hopefully pick up some little bit of food on the way to the track. A couple of croissants, coffee for the boys, and yeah, just try and do a bit. It's just a nice place, nice peaceful place. Good morning, Billiam.
Good morning, John.
How are we doing?
Feeling good, beautiful day, beautiful track.
Did you have a bit of time down the lake, have you, Italiano?
Yeah, spend a bit of family time down the lake, family.
Nice.
It's a nice lake, everyone wants to come watch.
Sun will be out as well.
Yeah, sun's out.
Out, I meant guns out. Got to the track, just heading up the Bills. Free practice, yeah. Try and start the day as we mean to go on, and he needs to give it some
full gas.
You're lurking, bruv.
Yeah, good, you see.
How are you feeling, alright?
Yeah, I'm brand new.
How's the rear end? Is it?
That's bring spare pants.
Got just in
Yeah,
case.
no, proper jam. It's not good. Trying to keep up with the big boys, aren't I, like an idiot?
So I finished that session there, P4, 1.6 Garcia's time, so not bad. Yeah, take that.
Good little sesh?
Yeah, it was alright. Very tight. Not many lines.
No, not very deep grooves either. Struggling to turn a bit.
Just choppy edges everywhere.
Yeah, horrendous. What's your take on it,
No
Dill?
whips, mate.
Oh, was he not?
No whips.
Oh, no, I saw a couple.
Didn't see one.
Well, they weren't upside down, but there was a few little sideways splashes.
Bill's used to like SX5.
Yeah.
Just, you get money for like sideways. Whereas here,
There's no dough for show here. The hype guy.
Bill's just had his qualifying, and he was P5 in group. So we'll see that his group is definitely the quickest after this session that's out there now, but I'm pretty sure it will be. So yeah, I'm P9 to the gate. Running P9, nearly halfway.
Numero 84, Jeffrey Harris che sta arrivando da dietro dopo l'errore di ci auguriamo che anche Adamo sia capace di gestire. Bravo Andrea con Fernandez che trova il modo di cadere anche a fine gara. Bravo Andrea, buona Corsica.
Pepper spray, brother. Peppered.
It's like a bit of 80 grit sandpaper, isn't she?
Good Saturday, Joz?
Yes, mate. Good Saturday. Not the greatest for the actual qualifying, but qualifying race pulled through. He does say it's more of a race.
More of a racer, yeah. Struggled with the lap, but really good. Just a bit of prep on the bike. What we're doing overnight.
Filter, check bolts, check spokes, chain.
New chain.
Yeah, new chain.
Trying to keep that wheelbase as close as we can to what he likes.
Keeps Jake happy as well.
Yes, Jake
And,
loves the wheelbase.
Yeah, then it's just a warm up.
Warm up tomorrow, so then we'll go new tyres for the race.
Yep.
And Moto 1 done for Logan, so he's just prepping up for 2 or 3. They get 10 minutes sighting laps on Saturday morning, but straight on the line for the race. So he normally ends up doing 2 laps, and then it's back to the start. Quick wheel change and ready to go. So Logan's got his sight lap wheel in, race wheel prepped. He had a bit of a coming together with someone and we took a bit of a dig to the front spokes, and yeah, so we had to go new wheel for the race tomorrow because we've done about 5 or 6 spokes in the front wheel in the other one, so that was a bit annoying. But no, all in all, really good race. Bike's really good. Logan's performing unbelievably well. Still no reaction out of him, even with all the praise, but he loves it, doesn't he? So day 1 done. Trentino, really good day. Bill P5 in Moto 1, Ben P11 in the quali race. So that's really nice. He gets 10 places bumped up for the starts tomorrow. And Bill, not the greatest start, bit of tangle on the first corner, but came round in 7th, I think, and worked his way forward, and then yeah, lost a couple of positions later on in the race, but it was a solid effort and something really good to build on for tomorrow. So we're going to pray all night he puts another result with that one, and then you never know in this class, like a 5-5 could get you on the box because everyone's so up and down with their results. So yeah, really good day, and see you in a bit.
Ti spiego
Big race day today, time to back up yesterday, and everyone's feeling good. Boys are ready, sun's out at the moment. Let's hope it stays that way. We can hack away dry, get a dry track, and everybody will be get into them couple of laps early and
Get into a couple of laps, get the feel, and then
need the same rhythm as yesterday, eh?
yeah, get a good start. We'll be up there again.
Another solid place. Could be the one this weekend, Billy.
Could be the time we get it.
MX2 are out there now. 125 have had their race, and then straight after Ben's warm up is Billy's first race. So fingers crossed he can get a consistent result. We're going to be on the gas.
Garcia might get done.
So if he gets done, I'm up.
We're just going to see at the podium place because it's possible. Garcia got pushed back by 2 people, and there must be some outside assistance there somewhere. So let's go and have a look, and yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, we've just been and spoke to the officials, and because his bike didn't leave the mesh, the mechanics are allowed to go back onto the mesh and help him get going. So yeah, I didn't know that. I thought once they'd entered the mesh, I thought that they would probably be under starter's orders and no one can do it. But apparently if it's the mechanics and he hasn't left the mesh, so he hasn't gone onto the dirt, they can then help him go. Yeah, gutted, because it was only 2 points I think, or 4 points maybe, but yeah, what a shame. But still a mega result, 5-6 on the day to 4th overall. Yeah, we'll take that all day long. Well done, Bill.
Cheers, John.
2 solid results, mate. Just missed it. What was it? 2, 4 points? 2 points, 4 points?
Yeah.
P4. Sick. How does that feel though?
Feels good, yeah.
Still a little mistake.
Yeah, mistake.
Not just him.
In that race.
But you got up quick, got going, speed was back.
I'm happy, yeah.
Fair play, mate. Well done.
Had a few smash-ups.
Yeah.
It's because the ground's so like gritty when you land on it.
Do us a twirl, look. It's a weekend of racing. Diggers. So everyone's back in the UK now, and we're getting ready. Got a bit of testing to do before Ling, so we're getting ready for a British Championship round. We've got a weekend off this weekend. The boys are going to go home, get a little bit of downtime, and hopefully come all out guns blazing at Ling and try and retain the red plate in the MX1 class and take it over in the MX2 class. That'd be nice. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Please give us a comment. Let us know what you think and what you would like to see. We're getting there. These are getting better. Massively appreciate all of your time you take for watching these. So please give us a like, comment, subscribe. Cheers, guys.